welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. It's been a little while. What we got for sale today is a 2007 Mercury 25 horse long shaft. This is electric start. It does not have tilt and trim. We did a tune-up on this one, new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, cleaned the fuel system, new lube in the lower unit, and new power head oil. We did the compression test as well. It came back at 90 psi on all 3 cylinders. We'll go ahead and get it fired up here. You got your low oil warning light right here. Lights up red just to let you know that it's working. It goes away right after. Neutral, reverse, neutral, shut it off, fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.